So if you've been following my thread on the duck about some presets not loading with driver version 1.0.11 on Windows, I'll just make this quick video here to show you confirmation that it appears to me that it is a driver issue. Alright, so we'll take a look here at Control Panel, and here's Avid 11 Rack. You can see software version, which is the driver 1.0.11, is currently installed. Okay, so here we are in Pro Tools 9.0.6. I'll load rig from computer, accessing this full dump here. Come down to, say, ontology here, and choose 2409. This rig will not load in 1.0.11. So hit open, get unable to load rig settings from files, and we get the error on the actual screen of the 11 rack. Alright, we'll come back, load from computer, scroll back down, we'll try 2414, open, won't load. Also get the error on the screen of the 11 rack, load from computer, and we'll say 2465. This one here should load. It says unable to load, but if we look, it actually has loaded. So we'll go back to load from computer, scroll down again, grab, say, 2467. This one loads. Okay, so that loads fine. Come back, load from computer, come back down, we'll try 2414 again, which didn't load before, open, and it's still not loading. So now we'll close down Pro Tools, I'll uninstall 1.0.11, and then I'll install 11 rack driver version 1.0.8. Close down Pro Tools. Don't need to save that. Are you sure you want to uninstall Avid 11 rack driver 1.0.11? Yes. So now we are uninstalling version 1.0.11. Alright, so that's completely uninstalled. We can check here in the USB area and see 11 rack is not connected because there is not a driver. Okay, so I'll come here to 11 rack driver 1.0.8. and I'll run it as administrator, of course. So we'll install the old 1.0.8 driver. Next, agree, next, install. So now driver 1.0.8 is installing. So DigiDesign 11 rack driver 1.0.8 is finished. Click finish, check here. See 11 rack is now connected. You can also check here in Control Panel. Now you see, instead of saying Avid 11 rack, which was up here, now it's DigiDesign 11 rack. Click this, we see driver version 5.10.0.5 blah blah blah. Alright, so this here is driver 1.0.8. If you look here in programs and features, you can see that indeed 11 rack driver 1.0.8 is installed. That's the only thing that I changed. So now I'll relaunch Pro Tools and we'll try to reload those rigs that didn't load with driver version 1.0.11. Alright, so now we'll load up the same session I had before. Okay, alright, so let's try to load some rigs here. We'll go to load from computer. We're still in the same full dump that I was using before with driver version 1.0.11. Scroll down here, we'll choose a rig that loaded fine before. 2465, ontology 2465 had loaded fine before. We'll hit open, and it also loads fine this time. Now we'll hit load from computer, scroll back down, and then we'll choose a rig that didn't load, which was 2409, and we'll hit open. And there you go, it loads just fine, it plays just fine. Do again here with another rig that didn't load. Scroll down. 2414 didn't load before. Open. Loads just fine. Do it again. Load from computer. Scroll down. 2430. Loads just fine. So the only thing that changed was the driver version. 1.0.11, those rigs did not load. 1.0.8, they load just fine.